Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2023. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create these burst pop animation effects. To follow along with this tutorial, be sure to update your version of After Effects to 23.0 or later. So first, create a new composition. I'll just click on the New Composition button. I'll choose one of the new social media presets. And to create the burst pop animations, which are brand new in Adobe After Effects CC 2023, first make sure that you have nothing selected in the Layers panel. Then go up to the Effects and Presets panel. If you don't see that, go to Window, Effects and Presets. Just do a search for Burst, so B-U-R-S-T. And there you will see Burst Pop under the Shapes Elements category. And to add it, first, I'm just going to make sure my playhead is at the beginning of the timeline. Again, nothing selected in the Layers panel. All you have to do is just double click right on the burst pop effect, or just drag it right on the comp window. If I tap the space bar, just like that, I have a pretty cool burst animation. And if you look in the Layers panel, you can see that this burst pop animation effect is just a shape layer. And to customize the effect, just select the shape layer in the Layers panel and go up to Effect Controls, where you will see a whole bunch of properties where you can fully customize this effect. The best way to learn is just to go through each of the properties and make adjustments. If you ever need to reset, just click Reset next to any property. To change the color, just go to the Burst Color. You can double click on the color swatch or select the eyedropper tool and just pick a color. If you notice at the end of the animation, everything drops down, kind of like fireworks. That's affected by gravity. If you want to change that and just have them pop straight out, you can go down to the burst gravity. It's currently set to 80. If I set it to 0, I see they just go straight out. You can also set the burst gravity to a negative value. So I'll put in -80, and now the animation goes up at the end. And a quick way to add some variety and interest to the animation is to just simply duplicate each of the shape layers or the burst pop effects. You can duplicate the layer by hitting Command or Ctrl D, or going up to the top menu and clicking on Edit, Duplicate. Then just select all the duplicate shape layers, tap S to bring up the scale property, then just change the scale or the size of the animations so they all look a little bit different size. And then you can just offset the layers by just dragging them, just so you can get the timing and make everything look a little bit different. And that is the burst pop effect, new in Adobe After Effects CC 2023. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.